Good morning, students. Today I will teach you how we can compare any three-digit number. So about comparing quantities, about comparison I already discussed, right? So rules are there. So on the basis of those rules, we will compare the three-digit or any digit number. Okay? So let me remind you about the rules that we already discussed. So the rule number 1 is what? First of all, we will see the digit. Okay, the number having more digit will be the greater one. Okay, so if I write any number, suppose 795, and here I write 35. So first of all, we'll see the digit. So here two digits are there, that means two numbers are there, and here three digits are there, that means three numbers are there. So on the basis of digit, we will determine which one is the greatest one. So 3 is greater than 2, so that's why this number will be greater than that one. This one is what? Rule number 1. On the basis of digit, we will compare. Okay, suppose 9, 39, and here I will write 8, 39. Okay, so here you have to compare whether, that means which one is the greatest one. So in second rule, we will see the first place value, that means we'll start from this one. So the highest place value we will see. So here in 100 place 9 is there, and in here the 100 place, in the 100 place 8 is there. So we know that 9 is greater than 8, so by this also we can easily compare any two number. Okay, so this one is rule 2, that means you have to see the 100 place or the highest place of the digit. Okay, now see the third rule. So according to third rule, if the digits are same, okay, for example 935 and here 929. Okay, so if the digit in highest place, that means here the 100 place is there, we will see the 100 place in rule 2, right? But if the digits are same in 100 place, as you can see here also 9 is there, here there also 9 is there, so we'll proceed to the next number. Okay, that is this place we will see. Okay, now here also if the numbers are same, we'll proceed to the another place value, that means this one we will see. Now here though the numbers are different, one having 3 and the another having 2, so we know that 3 is greater than 2, so our greater number will be what? Greatest number, this one, 935. Okay, so this one is the third rule. Okay, in order to identify which number is the greatest one or which number is the smallest one. Okay, my dear students, now see page number 150, exercise 9. First question is what? Compare the numbers by counting the numbers of digit. So you have to apply here the first rule. You have to see the number of digits and then you have to compare which number is the greater one. Okay, so we'll do A part. So here you can see the first number having 3 digit and the next number having 2 digit. So the number having 3 digit will be the greater one, right? So this one will be the greater number. And remember, we will put the greater sign towards the greatest one. That means we will open the symbol towards the greater number. That's what I am going to say. So 128 is the greatest one. Okay, now let's see B part. So here 156 is there and 72 is there. So here also we will see the digits. So the first one having 3 digits and the second one having 2 digits. Okay, only two numbers are there, 7 and 2. So 3-digit number will be the greater one, so we'll show it like this. Okay, now see the C part. So here one number is 80 and the another number is 149. So 80 having 2 digit and 149 having 3 digit, so the 3-digit number will be the greater one, so we'll show it like this. Okay, like this only you have to do this one. Okay, so D, E and F, you will do this one, okay, by yourself, and you have to do this one in your classwork copy. Okay, whatever I just instructed here, okay, you have to do according to that only. Okay, so D, E, F, you have to do this one in your maths classwork copy. Okay. Okay, so my dear students, next exercise is also about comparing, and here you have to compare the tens digit. Okay, the number that are placed in tens place value, that one only you have to compare. Okay, so first one is what? One number is 137 and the another number is 140. So first of all we will identify the tens digit. Okay, so this one is ones, this will be tens. This one is ones, this will be tens. So now see the values in tens place. So which value is the greatest one? 3 is greater or 4 is greater, or I can say bigger? 4 is bigger, right? So we'll put symbol like this. Okay, so this is already done. We will now apply these things in the rest of it. Okay, so here just see the tens place value. So one number having 5 and the another number having 4. So the number having 5 is the bigger one, so we'll put the symbol like this. Okay, okay, now see the C part. So here see the tens place. So here 5 is there and here 4 is there, right? 5 is bigger than 4, so we'll put the symbol like this. Okay, now see the D part. So both are having 2 digits, right? But we'll see the tens place. So here also 9 is there, here also 9 is there. If same values are there in tens place or any place, okay, it may be 100 place, it may be 1000 place, right? So we'll see the next number. So we'll now consider the ones place. Okay, so in ones place you just see one having 8 and the another number having 0. So 8 is greater than 0, so we'll put symbol like this. Okay, this is how you have to do this one. So E and F you will do in your classwork copy. Okay, and I think you can do this one. You have to only see the tens digit. Okay, don't get confused. You only have to see the tens digit and then you have to compare these number. Okay, I think one more question we can do, right? Because these questions are very easy. So let's see the exercise 11. Question is what? Compare the numbers by comparing the ones digit. So you have to compare the ones digit and then you have to see whether this out of these two number, which number is the greater one. So in ones place you just see here 1 is there and here 7 is there. So 7 is greater than 1, so we'll put greater sign like this. Got it? Here you just see one having 5 and one having 3. So 5 is greater than 3, so we'll put symbol like this. Okay, now see the C part, one having 0 and one having 9. So 9 is greater than 0, so we'll put symbol like this. Okay, remember you have to see the ones digit. So see the E part. So here 1 is there and here 0 is there. So 1 is greater than 0, so we'll put symbol like this. Okay, So like this only you have to do D and F in your classroom copy. Okay, these two you have to do in your copy, and the rest of it you have to do this one in your book only. Okay, no need to do this one in your copy. Okay, so that's all for today. In the next class we'll do exercise 12, which is again about the comparing, about the numbers. Okay, so we'll apply all these three rules. Okay, rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3, and by applying these three rules we will compare these numbers. Okay.